Hey all, just out for my walk today. Trying to hit 15,000 steps again. I am at 6,300. Getting there. Listening to some Eric B. and Rakim, old 90s rap. Don't Sweat the Technique on repeat because I don't have any Wi-Fi. And hopefully I'll get my 15,000 steps in. You can see some of the artwork here. He's probably wondering what I'm doing. Just trying to walk different areas around the town, seeing all kinds of new stuff, try to take pictures of whatever I can. It's interesting. Check back with you later when I get about 10,000 steps. Behind me is the Marriott Hotel and Casino. Pretty much high rollers. We have a stadium inside there for soccer, but not playing until November. Sitting outside here at the Marriott, you can see the building right there. So, sorry my videos are not all smiling and laughing and happy, but sometimes putting in the work of recovery for surgery is painful. So I'm just out here trying to do what I got to do. It's not like I'm thrilled to do it. Walk 4 hours a day. So it's 7 weeks. Feeling good, I guess. Just sore, unmotivated sometimes, depressed. You know, not like major, but just kind of done with it after 7-8 weeks. So Denise is headed to the States tomorrow. She's got to take care of some important business for about 3 weeks. So I'll be here in Albania by myself for 3 weeks. So that should be a test to see if I handle things on my own, motivated, that kind of stuff. Anyway, check in soon. Bye. Well, I'm at 10,500 steps. I'm here at the lake in Tirana. On my way back to the hotel. And beautiful day. See the ducks down there. Anyway, got 5,000 more steps to go. I'll finish up the video when I'm done. Alright, I just hit 15,000 steps and I am hurting. Not like severe pain, but more like sore, stiff, tired, and done for the day. 1 hour at the gym and 15,000 steps walking. So I've been at it for, I don't know what time it is. I have no idea. At least 3 or 4 hours. Okay, talk to you later. Bye. Back at home after 15,130 steps. I am icing my knee right now, as you can see, because I feel like it's swollen. Both knees actually hurt a little bit, but I want to reduce the swelling on this one. I took a quick shower and I'm just going to lay in bed right here and post this video. So again, I think I'm going to take tomorrow off just to be able to let my legs heal, put some stretching in, and then get back to the gym and walking on Wednesday. Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye.